The clock is ticking as my wife prepares to deliver our second child. And the craziest thing is that she wants an unmedicated home birth. If that wasn't enough, in the midst of all of this, we decided to give our daughter a much-needed bedroom makeover. So with limited time and money, will we meet this deadline? Or will the due date stop everything in its tracks?
I give up. Never mind. I quit. I
guess you'll have to find out as we continue to turn this house into a home, one room at a time.
In order to create our daughter's dream bedroom, we had to get inspired. From there, we went about designing a mood board. Our daughter is very social and energetic, and she loves color. Finally, we created a bedroom essentials checklist to help us stay focused and on schedule. So now we're ready to get this started.
I thought we were done, but my wife wants to repaint everything. So, yeah, here we are. We're repainting the walls alabaster white and repainting the bookshelves and adding some decorative designs elements around the bookshelves. And also painting it a different color. Because, you know, that's what my wife wants. And she gets what she wants. We wanted to create these little circles around the bookshelf. I grabbed the top of a sample paint that I got from Sherwin-Williams, a pencil, an eraser, and a piece of scrap board so I can make a template for all these circles. On my scrap piece of wood, I have a bunch of lines that help me measure out the distance of each circle and the bookshelf. Having this template allowed me to speed up the process and actually make more accurate circles. So definitely, if you're doing something like this, you know, make a template. Here's a quick demonstration of how the process actually went. Yo, for real though, my painting skills have improved so much since painting our master bedroom. I mean, technically I would call myself a professional, but you know, would I be wrong?
You gotta be a professional to cut in like this.
Okay, here we go.
I know how to cut in after watching a YouTube video. I know how. I feel like, oh dang.
Oh my.
I already got it on the ceiling.
Like I was saying, my skills have significantly improved since the master bedroom. Look at these skills. Look at that. But seriously though, one of the biggest things that I learned while painting was the twisting method. When you're painting freehand and you're painting a curve or a straight line, twisting your brush as you paint allows you to have a straighter and more crisp line. Overall, I would say take your time when you're painting freehand, because like seriously, it's worth it. Like this is real time. I didn't speed up nothing. This is like really me actually painting it for real. And if you have any painting tips, let me know in the comment section, because you know, I'm always trying to improve. Now it's time to finish painting this bookshelf. So this was another freehand attempt, but once again, just take your time in this process just to make sure everything is to your liking. And from there, it's just rinse and repeat. As we get closer to finishing this room, I decided to check on my wife and see what she was up to.
Babe, are you done with getting everything for the room yet? We gotta get this done before the baby gets here.
We're finally done.
Yep. Here's what the room looked like before. And here is the final reveal of our daughter's dream bedroom. It's so nice seeing everything put together, from the bookshelves to the reading nook to the big girl bed and the redesigned dresser, and you can't forget the custom closet. We put a lot of work into that thing. I gotta say, thank you to my wife for adding her creative touch and bringing our daughter's bedroom back to life. We've completed everything on our checklist. Now we're ready to have this home birth. Or are we?
So we actually didn't make it in time.
Nope, y'all. We had a whole baby in the midst of this.
Yeah, so we'll tell you more about that in the next video. But for now, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment in the comment section. And until next time, we will see you in the next video.
This ain't food. I'm so sorry. Put these curtains up.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
Okay. Put these curtains
You put those curtains up.
Stupid. You're just stupid now. This was a beanbag. First of
We're going to get this done later.
All right. No, stop whacking.
I said you can get it done
I heard what
later.
you said. I decided against it.
You said okay. Oh my gosh. Come on. Pilates. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and... Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Ready?
Yes. Your jaw ready?
Yeah, I know.
Good.
Are you ready?
Don't act like it's me.
Are you ready?
We know.
Jasmine, stop it.
What, I'm gonna mess up your makeup?
I don't wear makeup. Until next time, we'll see you in the next. We were right there. We were right there.
All right, I'm ready.
All right. Oh, Lord.
Can't get my energy up.
You go do it somewhere else?
No, this is the spot. Don't think about the editing.
Duh, I'm not. Stop thinking about it.
You're telling me.
We actually didn't make it in time.
Nope. What? I was going with it, man.
Nope.
Shoot.
So we actually didn't make it in time.
Nope. We had a whole baby.